Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iPhone overheating after iOS 26 update. For example, if you have recently upgraded it to iOS 18 to iOS 26, and after using iOS 26 you find that your iPhone is overheating than regular. So if you want to fix that, for this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply make sure that you have closed down all the apps which are running in the background. So here you have to simply close all the apps, and after closing the apps, you have to make sure that you have enough storage. So you have to simply go for the general, and after that you have to simply click on iPhone storage, because sometime if you do not have enough storage, then your apps drain too much battery to work on, and after that they also create some heat. So if your battery is healthy, it also drop down from 80%. There are also chances that your iPhone may heat up. So after, if this heat has increased after installing the iOS 26, then what you have to do, you have to simply report it to the Apple Support program, and after that you have to wait for the next update, and you have to check whether your overheating problem has been solved or not. If your overheating problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple Support, and after that you have to ask for the solution of the problem. And if the problem is still there, you have to simply try to restart your device and try to cool your device, and you have to make sure that you have turned on the optimized charging. For this, you have to simply go to battery settings, and here you have to simply check for your battery health, and you have to make sure that it is above the 80%, and you have to turn on the optimized battery charging. And you do have to make sure that you do not use your iPhone while on charging. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.